Everyone is with our treasure home. So what did I put in these buckets? I mean the big ones. Well, I'm not going to dig it up. But I put potato in here. So we're going to see about growing potatoes. This thing was huge. I'm not joking. This thing was about bigger from my thumb to my pinky. So it was about like that big and about that big around. And we put it right here in the middle. So it's just one big one. I'm not putting any others in there. But we're going to see what we can do with the potatoes. Yes, that is red pepper flakes. Because I have a squirrel. Or a couple of squirrels, or something that likes to dig. Not only in my planters, but they dig out in the mulch out in the front. So we'll check back. We'll see how this goes in a few months. Have a wonderful day.